The Auki token is launching soon, and to start earning rewards, I've got myself a portal kit. Let me explain. The Posemesh is a decentralized machine perception network, a DePIN for AI perception, making it possible for devices, robots, and AI to get a shared understanding of a physical space. 20% of the initial mint of the Auki token have been set aside for rewarding early adopters, and the portal kit is one of the easiest ways to get involved and start participating in the Posemesh. The portal kit is a collection of 10 unique QR codes registered with the Posemesh that you can use to create a Posemesh domain, your own virtual real estate. Your Posemesh domain is an external sense of space that your devices can connect to get an immediate, collaborative understanding of your environment. It makes it possible to do things like shared augmented reality, indoor navigation, spatial AI, and very soon some very cool robotics use cases. The portal kits start shipping today, and by ordering yours, you can be one of the first people in the world to set up your own personal virtual real estate in social augmented reality. Every time someone visits your domain, you earn rewards. It's as easy as that, but there's more. In just a couple of days, you'll be able to download McKenna, an interactive space decorator that lets you anchor digital things in physical space in a persistent and social way. You can place your NFTs, your digital art, your favorite memories, and notes in your domain. We'll also be doing social media drives together, where you can earn additional rewards for taking photos and videos of your McKenna exhibit in your domain to help spread the word about the Posemesh. Using the open beta of the Domain Management Tool, or DMT, and one of these portal kits, you can set yourself up for participating in our first major push to bootstrap the Posemesh network. Go to store.auki.ai and order your kit today before they sell out. You're not going to want to miss this.